before the end of this class, you would have been able to have the same feature that before you is having. Fully on your system forever. As long as that system is alive, if you keep running and give you the same result, you will pay $20 a month. Oh, no. $20 without tax plus tax is $25. So, but nonetheless, you will still have something worth your time here today. And even if you do not have a GPU system today, I believe you have to know. And in that regard, you will be able to apply what you are about to learn today in that system today. Sometimes your requirement will be, have you worked with a large language model before? And you will like, say sorry. But looking for somebody that can work with that. What they're typically asking you is what you can ask ChatGPT question and it gives you reply. It means can you create a ChatGPT of your own? That's what they're asking you. So when they say, have you or can you work with large language models, it's not entirely if you have done ChatGPT. Is anyone here that have not come ChatGPT? No. So that means they're all used to it. So now let's see how it works behind the scenes. So what we are looking at is Ollama. I am very certain that with the internet speed I am having here, I might not be able to achieve all my expectations today, but I will try. So if you have not yet heard of these guys, Ollama is open source. So you just go to your web and then you type ollama.com. You are going to have something like this. And I know I asked before if they have GPU systems. There is something that can work with your CPU system. Not with language. There is something that can work with it. So we will try it. So you click on download and you begin to open the download page for you. And on the download page, you can see macOS, Linux, and Windows. I always tell people that when I say this page, I don't think that they are order of importance. If you use the macOS to perform this functionality they are doing, you are going to have a way better result, especially if it is empty, like your Mac is. So I am Windows, so I am picking the one on Windows. Download from the close to I click on download. So today we're working with Gemma. Gemma has just been released 2 weeks ago. And the latest version was released 2 weeks ago. The other versions released before now. That is what I was referring to, that we may not be able to achieve everything from just hold up LAMA.com. You need to have this page, then you download it. Yes, just that. Then you download it. So, when we talk about the relating model, that is starts from the so when they mean by utility, what are they talking about? Internet transformers, as you know, are machines that human beings teach. And I don't know if you have worked with data in the storage before. This one is different. When a child comes to school, you start teaching the child A, B, C. And then the child replaces back A, B, C. When these machines are first created, they always end what is inside. And then somebody now asks the machine, what is the noun? And they will answer back, a noun is the name of the person, animal, place, or thing. So when you ask that same question, what is a noun? The machine will go to its knowledge base and check, do I have anything like what is a noun? And if it has, to bring the answer that was given and then give it to you. That's what we mean by intelligence. So any question you ask ChatGPT that it gives you back, That means that the people that will train you have already asked that question you're asking. That's why you don't answer. And if you check the ones that have not, leave them, start them. So if you have seen the one that has not yet been fully trained, if you ask a particular question, to tell you that it does not have answer to that question. The reason is because that particular question you are asking has not been asked before. The people training from the background have not asked that question before. That's why I cannot answer you. And the moment that question is asked, it will be able to answer you. I don't know if you understand me. So that is what that pre-train stands for. It means for the thing to be able to work for you, somebody has to pre-train it first. If it is not trained on that particular question you are asking, it can't answer you. It doesn't think. Very easy. All these transformers, none of them think. They only listen. So since they cannot think, they cannot bring out something that was not already there. So today we'll be working with German models. Please, if you want to partake with us while we run this, I would strongly advise you download the setup as well. Then after we are finished setting all everything, we will switch off our internet. Of course, the ChatGPT cannot work without your internet, can it? No, it can't. But this one will work without your internet. In fact, you can upload data, you can upload file to it, and then it will read the file and give you result, internet or not. So this system is happening like this in somebody's server, and then the person puts a link to the internet, and that's what we're recording ChatGPT. There is no other magic behind it. So while the one we have will not be able to work like ChatGPT in that what you do not know today, you know tomorrow. Like how ChatGPT will. That's because this one has already been trained. So ChatGPT is always constantly trained. So that question you ask ChatGPT that does not know the answer to it is stored in the question database. And then they write the question and give to the engineers. And then like they will ask and answer that same question in 2,000 ways. So there is no way you come up with that same question and not able to answer it next time. So this one is different. It will not be pre-trained after this execution, except you are fine-tuning it. Yes, it can be fine-tuned. So take for instance now, I am working in the hospital. And I would not want my doctors to be running around people that don't have headache or something feeling them here. No. I want my doctor to focus on very serious problems. So what happens? I will carry people's problems of all kinds, and then I'll take it to this train transformer and I'll train it on that people's problem. So what happens is that when you have similar problems and come to it, you have solution for you. And if you try to ask him something on the transportation sector, he will tell you doesn't know. Why? I have already used it for several results to give you to the only medical related results. So if you ask the question, how does medical related results, it will give you, I don't know what you're telling me, or I don't know what you're asking me. So that is if you want to train this, like after that you want to fine-tune using embeddings. You have your own embeddings. These embeddings are problems, events people are already had. Somebody has a headache, what do you take? You took paracetamol, so you just put it there. When somebody says he has mild headache, recommend paracetamol. So when a patient try and it works, that person don't need to see the doctor again. And the doctor will now be focusing on more serious problems than petty problems. So you see, like I told the people from where I just come from, that machines of this kind are coming to stay. AI are coming to stay. You should not, if your knowledge ends on just how you come and get that result, you need to do not be working for government. I can give you that answer for free. If the only information you know about ChatGPT is about to ask questions and get that result, I can assure you that you will not be asking that person in that same job for 5 days to come from now. You lose that job. Why? People are now capable of doing this exact same thing I am doing. They don't have to use internet. they design it and work for that specific organization the way they want it to work. If customer is coming for that organization, they know the right information to give that customer. Then tell me why I will employ you that you just have to keep talking to customer, one customer at a time. When my own machine can talk to 10 customers at a time, 20 at a time, 50 at a time. Why would I employ you? This problem will affect all fields. Medicine, data, tech, everyone will be affected. So if you think that you are secure in that job you are keeping and you don't know how to really work with that level, you need that job. I'm not concerned. I am telling you the truth. Our fathers can tell you when computer face came. People did not want to leave typewriting and the rest into computer. How did you care for them? How many persons are still using typewriter today? So if that happens, this will happen. Look at the printing press machine invented from wine pressing machine. They said no, Vatican is okay with the way we write for them instead. How did it happen? Vatican sacked them and employed people who could actually use the printing press. See, it is generational problem and generational solution. So the only way you keep being relevant to what you are doing is if you upgrade your knowledge base. So we will try to put that into application today. Like I said, the key to it you know about large language model is how you after the question and answer it back. There's no way I can assure you for free that I need to do that way. Because another person will come and tell the company, I can do better than just asking that question and getting that answer. He said, what can you do? He said, take for instance, how many customers do you have? He said, I have 10. He said, what if I can pay the system for you? You don't need to go there again and you don't pay anything. He said, you can do it. He said, yes. He said, let me see. You do and you try. And customer was satisfied. Why would they want to do it? So please, you have to upgrade your knowledge base. You really have to upgrade your knowledge base. The machines are taking over the world in ways faster than you can learn how they are functioning. Okay, so I am going to begin my own installation of the setup. If you have downloaded yours as well, please begin the installation as well. I'm starting this from ground edge. Are you working in cyber security? Is it work for you? I am very sorry if you are just joining us. Please ask the next person who was participating. So what we are about to share today is not just asking ChatGPT questions and getting back answers. We are going to realize how was this ChatGPT designed in the first place. That is the only way you really be able to understand the mechanics behind what this ChatGPT is all about. Currently, I am working on a project. And the project is that people who are blind, is it done? Only on there. Okay, it's done. So the problem is that people who are blind can want to learn. They cannot learn because they have visual impairment. And they say they want to learn. Then how will you learn if you can't see? So some group of philanthropists believe that it is possible. In what? Yeah. And I can tell you for free it is possible. So what the person does have to do is that if you carry the phone and say, on camera, the phone on camera, he carries his book he wants to read, hold the book on the hand as he move the camera, the eye is telling him, no, move to the left small, you move to the right, say, okay, I have fixed. This is what they will say. It is working. If you do not know how these systems are working, just how to use it, you lose. Has everyone been able to download? I am sorry if you are unable to download it yet. Okay, yeah, I can copy. Okay, yeah, you have my copy. But if there are other versions that will work for you. Just that it may not have the capabilities of what we are going to be showing you here. So you realize that what ChatGPT is just Docker. For those who have used Docker, it's just Docker, nothing else. There is nothing else ChatGPT than a Docker container. There is nothing else. You see it. For the purpose of this experimentation, you are not allowed to try higher versions of this system. We will not design to work with CPU. The reason is because you need GPU to run, but there are lower versions that will work with your CPU. Like I am telling you, without your internet, you are still going to have the same result like if you were using ChatGPT. You see, this thing is not a really difficult something. It is just your ignorance of it that makes you look as if those guys over there are doing one very big job. Of course, that's what ignorance does. When you don't know a particular thing, you are disadvantaged. So that's what we are trying to prove. Okay. So I'll wait for you to finish the installation and then we'll continue. The Google Design Model is free. So the latest version was updated 3 weeks ago, and that is the one we did be using. So I'll just click on. Then I'll click on here. I go to my command prompt. Okay. So the magic has begun. If you have installed yours, I will definitely uninstall this thing immediately after this class. I can't do it in my system with you while you see me. The system will work with However, if you do not install that setup as you will not be able to achieve this result. So please install the setup. As for the web UI and the rest, I think you might not. I need to install inside this.
Okay. I'll install it.
Okay, so if you look at here, if you look at here we have I am installing, okay, this is what I was saying. You are not designed for CPU laptops. So, for your own use case, please do not install the 9B. You will blow your system, like literally blow your system. Do not install the 9B. Please use 2B. Do not install the 9B. That 9B means that somebody has asked and answered 9 billion questions. So please look at the system very well and ask the system, can you process 9 billion questions? If your system says no, please don't try. If you are trying an honest mix. Please use the 2B. Do not use the 9B except you are using a Mac system or a GPU generated system. If your system doesn't have GPU and is not Mac, don't try the 9B, please. So the 2B will give you the actual ChatGPT version we already knew from inception. The 9B just ramp things up a little. So to take 12 minutes for the installation to finish, I don't think I know how to install it, right? I know how to install it. So once it is done, Gemma 2 is going to work on my system offline. I don't need internet again to run ChatGPT. I don't have to buy GPT-4 premium again. It will be working from my system perfectly. Okay, that guy's system can do it. Yeah, that system can do it. So, for those that come not long ago, if you're using a Windows computer, you click on download. And when you click on download, it's going to open the next page for you, telling you if you have a Windows, a Linux system, or a Mac OS. So if you have a Windows, you just click on download preview. And you're going to have the thing running in your system locally. And due to time constraint, I will not be working with the user interface part with PDA. Maybe if this class goes again anytime soon, you work on the UI part where you can give your brother to use Fluid, your sister to use Fluid, and so we just need to exercise a little bit. I really hope a little patient, and finish installation. Once this installation is done, you will be fine. There are other things. Gemma 2, 9. Okay, to click on models. So click model, click Gemma, and then take the 9B instead of it. Take the 2B instead of the 9B. Please don't try the 9. You shall work for the system. You work just while and never. So when we hold this class again, we work on the UI part, where if you open the door, you are going to have it exactly the way you see it. When I mean exactly, I mean the same. No different, nothing changes. You click upload file, to upload your file from your system straight to it, and you read the file and start working from it. So it's very quality. I think we will have to exercise preparation for a long time. But in the meantime, does anyone have a question? Victor, for one of those classes, we are connected. Okay, copy from my system to the class. I am sorry that I am sorry that come on. Okay. okay, if they are running with a 2B is not this expensive. So yours should download faster than mine. So 2B I think is 1 point something. This one is 5.4. I don't like this time. I don't like. No problem. Let's just see what we can do. As well as feeling that they already. Are you sure you have installed this one like this? Okay. Hello. So the process is running in the background. Yeah, it's running in the background. So another key information here is who brought about AI. This is Gemini.google.com. One of those products I'm currently installing in my system. So one of them is Alan Turing. So one of them is Alan Turing. Alan Turing's test is what we are using to test the capabilities of AI. You will always hear a statement like, we are not scared of AI that fails Turing test. Okay, we are not scared of AI that passed Turing test. Instead, we are scared of AI that intentionally fails the Turing test. So the AI that is scary is not the one that passed Alan Turing's test. But the one that fails it intentionally, that's the one we are scared of. Because we're not supposed to think. The second one, the 2B. Okay, so if you have the installation page of Gemma 2, you click on this open installation of comments. Okay, so sorry that it is taking this long. It is just because of my internet. If I was running at 49 MB per second, this will have been downloaded for the next almost 2 minutes. So now, sorry, yeah. So somebody asked the question where I went, asked this AI, who even brought about it. So we have the actual godfathers of AI. One of them is Alan Turing, a British mathematician and a computer scientist who proposed the Turing test. Now, this is a method to determine if a machine can think. His work laid the foundation for the concept of artificial intelligence. So these people, though they envisage how this thing will look like, but they never experienced what they are experiencing today. But their vision laid groundwork in which we are building on today. Another person is John McCarthy. These guys were visionaries. This guy did not just prompt and use ChatGPT and think they can use it. No, you can't use it. If anything you can do is just to ask the question and get that result, then at a disadvantage, you will lose your job. So there is no big difference between you that can prompt ChatGPT and get that result with somebody who cannot prompt it at all. Both of you are going in the same direction. You need to know the mechanism behind how it works. This was not because you are calling with the development, not because of this cyber security, not because you are doing hardware development. No. Right now, people can now repair their computer with AI. They just on their camera and going on the computer and the AI will tell them, oh, this is what's going wrong. Let me see your screen. Put your screen this way. Let me see your hardware. Put it the other way. It is working. So you need to know how you add this into your daily life. I am very simple. I am very, very simple. But no matter how the patient away from the guy. 83 minutes ago, he said 83 minutes for what is there. And he's still showing up in 17 minutes later. I'm very sorry. This should strengthen us to work hard. We can apply AI in so many things, including things like this internet. It is believed that Asians have the fastest internet in the world. When somebody in Korea is driving for something big per second, for something else. That's not magic. So please.